everyone, and welcome back to my lovely channel once again. Today I am going to basically show you viewers how I achieved this amazing yellow color. Who said black girls cannot rock yellow hair? This is absolutely gorgeous yellow hair. I use the Crazy Color Collection Candy Yellow, and I will insert a picture in the next 2 seconds. So viewers, you all saw the picture. It's called Candy Yellow, and I will obviously demonstrate how I achieved this amazing beautiful yellow color. I bleached my hair extensions first. Everything will be demonstrated. If you want to see how I got this color, keep on watching. Bleach my extensions, but the trick to achieving a beautiful color is, after I bleach the hair extensions, usually people will just go and dry their hair extensions or their wig. This is a wig, by the way, no hair extensions. People will usually go and dry their wig before applying the yellow color on it. But viewers, whilst my hair was damp and wet, I decided to take a risk and apply this yellow color on it. And initially I was like, oh my days, it's not taking to the color. What can I do? But viewers, I was very amazing in Hair Boutique, and they are doing a 20% off sale, and you can use the coupon code LOVE20, LOVE capitals and 20 together to receive 20% off. And I also have a coupon code for you viewers in case the 20% discount code has ended. They're doing a spring sale now, and the coupon code is my name @Velt15 for 15% off, and it's my name. I'll leave in the description box down below, everything in capitals and 15. So this hair is one of the best hair I've had in my entire life, and I'm very happy I came across this company 2 years ago, and ever since I have been loving. When I say loving, I don't know how to express myself well, but ever since I have been loving, basically this company is my go-to company. As you all know, I make wig for customers, so I recommend 99.9% of my customers to this company, and they go there and they purchase hair from there, and I make wigs for them, and the wig lasts for years and years, and they are happy customers. So viewers, this is not a review. If you really want to know a review about this raw Indian hair texture, check out my channel for the raw Indian curly hair texture. Over there you will see a full-blown review. This is just to show you viewers how I achieved this beautiful amazing yellow color. And who said black girls cannot have yellow hair? We can, and it actually suits our complexion. I actually decided to have a dark root initially, but I said, why a dark root? Why not do something out of your comfort zone and see if you look okay with it? And viewers, do I look like an alien in it? I look pretty cool in yellow hair. I'm very happy I tried it, and this is something that is out of my comfort zone. Obviously this is not a go-to hair or go-to wig, something that you'll be walking around in town every day. This is for occasions, and I'm glad I did it. So if you did enjoy this video, still watch this video to see how I achieved this amazing yellow color. Stay tuned, and I'll see you viewers in my next video as well. Do not forget to comment. Let me know if you've tried yellow hair before, whether you are dark skin or not. You can always have something different out of your comfort zone, and if you try it and you're not happy with it, make sure you just go back into whatever you've created and just add dark root to it. After I created this wig, I realized that I didn't need dark roots. If it was looking really hideous on me, I would have basically gone back to it and added dark roots, but nope. So stay tuned.